Hey guys, today on Rage World we're going to be doing 3 awesome tricks. And here's the first one. I rolled a sticky note up with a pencil, and I'm gonna light it. And it's supposed to be like a smoke waterfall coming down, and it's really cool. Okay, so. Gonna work.
No, you're making it.
So cool. That is awesome. Told you it'd work.
Don't. It's going. Just let it go.
Crazy Russian hacker had to light it again, so I'm gonna have to. Whoa. That is just completely awesome. To the next trick.